Here's another way that we can pull information from YouTube videos. This one's pretty easy. If you're using Gemini, which you have to use this on your personal account, the free account that works with your BoiseState account will not work for this. But I can do this. I can use one of these applications here. I can enable YouTube here. I'm telling it to go to YouTube. I'm telling it to grab this video from Philip Hum, and I am going to run this prompt on it. Extract the top 3 takeaways and explain them to me like I'm in the 9th grade. So you're kind of making it a little bit easier. Then give me any frameworks that I can take away and apply to other projects. And then finally, what are some other unorthodox ways that I can use this in my job? So if I run this, it's going to go look at the video and it's going to pull this information. It's going to create this top 3 takeaways and explain them like a 9th grader. So, and you can see that it tells me this here, 3 takeaways explained for a 9th grader: set the scene, context, the problem is the point, adversity, the big finish, resolution. Then it's going to give me these frameworks to apply to other projects. This uses this CAR framework. Again, context, adversity, resolution. And then we go down here, unorthodox ways that you can use this in your job. And you can see that it came up some different ways. You can use this for any YouTube video. This is one of the areas that Gemini works really well. You can see that I've got all these different extensions that I can use. Another thing that I can use, I can say I've got to get something done by a certain time. I can tag Google Tasks, tell it what I want it done in the time. And it's got all these different areas that I can use it in. I can look at Google Docs, I can look in Gmail, I can ask for certain emails back from Gmail. So it's got a lot of capabilities. And this is actually kind of longer than maybe you want for a quick summary, but really the summary is these 3 points. And then the context or the framework here is something that you can apply to generative AI in other contexts. So you can take this idea and apply it there. You can say use it as a student. You can use, choose different ways to use it.